but mina nje this was a boring game. This was a boring game. I didn't say ukuthi yiphi team enkulu, yiphi team especially Golden Arrows. Mina Golden Arrows couldn't complete 5 touches, passes. I think uManqoba beya ngespeed kodwa sibo mfethu kanje game.
Yeah, ngiyibonile igame. Nokho bekungalindelanga ukuthi kungaba abafana besithende laba engibajwayele. Abafana besithende khona into ababeyigude kuyona. Ekumakeni.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, bakwazile ukumaka. Into ebebashaya i1. Uma ngabe ingenzekanga lento abayifunayo ukudlala ama long ball bese bekwazi ukugijima bayo-attack ukuze kwazi ukushaya amagoli bebephenika. Uzolimaka ibhola umdlali ucele emuvi defender leya. Bazolimaka ibhola liye kumuntu oyedwa mayiqeda kumphasela. Emva kaloko bayaluza. I-Kaizer Chiefs i-starter i-build up la elithole khona ibhola iwahlanganise ama-touch. Ukuthi bahluleke nawo ukuyakha i-build up till kuze kuyoba igoli ngale laba attacker khona. Yeah. So into eshaye kakhulu nje labo cabanga ukuthi mhlambe basesema